Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the National, or Stanley. This is the Stanley part number CD844033. This would be known by National Manufacturing as the S750-640. National Manufacturing is a company that's been in business for almost 120 years, and I don't know if Stanley owns them or if whoever owns Stanley owns National, but there is some sort of a confluence between Stanley and National. And knowing what National does, steel bars, threaded rod, shapes, L angles, steel, aluminum, a lot of sliding door hardware as well, barn door track and hardware, other builders hardware, which the name Stanley has always been known for. It could be that now National is manufacturing that material and Stanley isn't, and National is focusing on that. Well, there's been some rebranding, and I have found that there are direct relationships between the old Stanley number and the new National number. Anyway, I'm going to pull this out of the packaging so we can take a look at it. They state that this is a solid brass hook, and it is not magnetic whatsoever. Zinc would not be magnetic whatsoever. Stainless would. I have no reason to question that this is solid brass, but there you go. This is a hook and eye. This would be used for basically keeping some sort of a cupboard door closed, something latched. You know, very commonly you're going to walk into a restaurant and sometimes there's a hook and eye that is used for privacy to be able to secure that door. This sort of concept is very typical and common when you are on a boat or a vessel, a ship. Everything needs to be in a latched or lashed down position, and you'll see hook and eyes all the time in that sort of application. I expect that this client is just using it for something utilitarian, being able to hook something down, keep something lashed in place. Could be for a footlocker for all I know. Some basic dimensional properties. They say that it's 3-inch, and I would expect that to be the center of the eye to the end of the hook. Not even close. Overall length is what it is. 3-inch overall length. Each of the small mounting portions from the center of that down to the tip about 1 3/16 inches. Then what would act as the strike from the center of that down to the tip is the same, about 1 3/16 inches. Okay. Admittedly, this item has been discontinued by Stanley and by National. And I'm making this video so that we can archive what this product was, so that we can all try to convert the need for one of these to something that would be currently available. Give you another idea of its dimensional properties. Take a dimension of its diameter. The wire diameter is 0.177. The outside of the threads on this, 0.193 on the outside of the threads. That root dimension is 0.165. 0.165 is the root. The inside dimension of the eye, 0.238. An outside diameter of the eye, 0.533. 0.533 on the outside. Okay. We have been able to continue to source material under the Stanley brand name originally into the National sort of branding with complete conversion. Storm door closers is exactly what I'm thinking of. For latching gates or doors and fastening screen or storm panels for indoor or outdoor use, decorative solid brass, maximum load limits, non-moving 40 pounds, moving 20. Mark screw hole locations. Drill an 1/8 of an inch pilot hole. Fasten screw eyes. Do not use for overhead lifting or where safety is a factor. Obviously, that means it's not load rated at all. And there you go. We'll have a scan of this listed down below for review as well. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley hardware that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. You can also dive into the National product catalog by clicking on the link to manufacturers down below, performing a find function on your keyboard, Control F for national or national manufacturing. You'll find it and be able to review their catalog. Any questions on the Stanley CD844033 3-inch classic solid brass hook and eye, or any other Stanley or national product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.